In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit card or debit card from your Google Ads account. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can either enter the URL directly or search for Google Ads using any search engine you like. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to log into your account. If you're asked to verify your identity, go ahead and enter your Google account credentials. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Google Ads dashboard. This dashboard serves as your main control center for managing ad campaigns, so being comfortable with its layout is useful. From this dashboard, you'll need to find the billing section. This can be accessed by looking at the left-hand menu and clicking on the option labeled Billing. Doing this will take you to a page dedicated to your account's billing information. Once you're on the billing page, you'll need to find the section labeled Payment Methods. In the Payment Methods section, you'll see a list of all the credit and debit cards currently linked to your Google Ads account. Carefully review this list to find the specific card you want to remove. When you've located the card, look for the option to remove it. Clicking this is an important step, so be sure you're selecting the right card. After clicking the Remove option, Google will present a prompt asking if you're certain about deleting this payment method. Click on the button labeled Remove Payment Method to continue with the removal. You may be asked to confirm your choice one final time just to make sure this action is intentional. This is a safeguard because removing a payment method is permanent and cannot be undone. And that's it. You've now successfully removed a credit or debit card from your Google Ads account. Just keep in mind that once a card is removed, any charges or activities connected to that card will no longer be processed. It's always a good idea to ensure you have an alternative valid payment method on file to prevent any disruptions to your advertising campaigns. That's it. Thank you for watching.